Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to wire transfer with Chase Online Banking. Perfect if you need to send money safely and quickly in 2025. Start by logging into your Chase Online Banking account. From your dashboard, click Pay and Transfer. Then choose Wires and Global Transfers. If this is your first time, click Add a Recipient and enter their name, routing number, and account number. For international wires, include the SWIFT code or IBAN as well. Once your recipient is added, select their name from the list. Choose the account you're sending from. Type the amount and review the currency if it's international transfer. Double check all details, then click Next. Confirm the transfer and approve it using your security code or two-factor authentication. And that's how to wire transfer with Chase Online Banking. Simple, secure, and ready for your 2025 transactions.